This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a backup copy of the corrupted workbook. Never work on the original. Once done, open Excel and go straight to File, right arrow open, select the file, and choose Open and Repair to let Excel attempt automatic fixes. If that fails, restart Excel in safe mode by holding Control while launching it. This avoids add-ins that can interfere and lets you open and extract sheets or ranges without extensions causing crashes. If the automatic repair didn't fully restore content, extract usable data manually. First, try Excel's partial open or extract data option to pull tables and values. If that yields nothing, rename the XLSX2. Zip and open the archive to inspect /Excel/worksheets XML files. Removing a malformed sheet can let Excel reopen the workbook. Alternatively, use Data right arrow, get Data right arrow from workbook to import intact tables into a new file. This preserves values while leaving broken objects behind. Once you've recovered sheets and tables, rebuild the workbook structure. Paste values for critical tables, and then recreate or relink formulas to avoid reintroducing errors. Save the cleaned file as a new XLSX and keep timestamped backups so you can revert if needed. Finally, validate named ranges, external links, charts, and macros to ensure consistency. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: open the file on another machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.